This morning, Chelsea, but you know what? It's one of those things where we just, I hate to say this, but we should feel so grateful for the run we had to make it this far. It's incredible.
It's a very positive outlook, Dory. Very nice
I'm trying
of you.
to be positive.
Nice
about
of
it
you
all.
to go that direction there. Nice outlook.
Chelsea, I'm a France.
I know. I don't think that makes it any easier this morning, unfortunately, for Sam. We are looking at a warm, muggy day ahead of us, and we have some stronger thunderstorms developing as we head into this afternoon. This morning, some of you are waking up to some rain. You can see through the southern portion of Rhode Island, this little area just had moved through and now is pushing closer into the New Bedford area. So a few isolated showers or downpours this morning. So far, no lightning detected with this first little batch of rain. And for the most part, most of us are dry this morning, and we're going to stay dry through the morning hours. It's going to be into this afternoon that we have the risk of some thunderstorms developing. What you're looking at temperature-wise, mid to upper 60s to start the day. 68 in Providence right now, 65 in Newport, 66 in Westerly. It is a warm and muggy morning outside. We are well above average this morning for morning temperatures and much warmer than where we were yesterday at this time. And we have the overnight breeze from the southwest to thank for that. We're looking at wind 5 to 15 mile per hour, sustained winds, some gusts coming in, especially through far southeastern Mass, 20 to 25 miles per hour. And it is going to stay a bit breezy as the day goes on. That wind from the southwest continues to pump in humidity. And what you're looking at are dew points in the low 60s range. It is a muggy morning here in southern New England, and we have dew points that'll be staying in the 60s as we head into this afternoon, leaving us with a humid feel outside today. Now, the good news is when we look at this muggy factor graphic, it's short-lived. Today is warm and humid. We cool down significantly for the weekend. Those dew points drop below 50 degrees through Saturday, through Sunday, through Monday, all the way up until Tuesday before you slowly start to see the humidity level creeping back up. So almost a fall-like kind of crisp feel to the air as we head through the majority of the weekend. That being said, we have to get through today first. We do have a round of thunderstorms expected as we head into this afternoon ahead of an approaching cold front. It's not much right now, but as the sun rises, this line will gain some energy, and we do have the risk of some stronger storms to develop through the afternoon. What you're looking at hour by hour is getting into kind of a mix of sun and clouds for the morning hours. You can see this line starting to pop about lunchtime up to our north. By about 2 o'clock, that line is pushing through southern New England. So figure anywhere from about 1 to maybe 6 o'clock, that line pushes through. And then from there, we clear out really quickly, and we continue to see improving conditions in terms of humidity overnight. Tomorrow looks partly to mostly sunny with cooler, more comfortable air in place. The one issue over the weekend is some scattered light rain showers overnight Saturday into early on Father's Day morning. I do think by late in the morning on Father's Day, we do start to brighten up, and it stays cool and comfortable. Storm Prediction Center has put out a marginal risk. We're still under that for this afternoon. This means that there may be some thunder, lightning, some heavier rain, and even some very gusty winds that could potentially be damaging. In the grand scheme of things, again, this is pretty low on that scale of severe weather, but the chance is there. Even some hail possible as we head into this afternoon. The line moves through really quickly, though. We're warm and humid ahead of that line, and then we feel more comfortable overnight. If you are trying to make today a beach day, we're looking at warm temperatures, muggy conditions. There's a moderate rip risk, though. Surf at 4 to 6 feet out there. UV index at a high level. And again, we'll have to watch for those afternoon thunderstorms. We'll clear out overnight. We'll become less humid. We'll see temperatures in the 60s range heading into the weekend. Partly sunny and comfortable tomorrow, and then an early shower on Father's Day. From there, we should brighten up.
Yeah, it's so important. We talked about this a little bit yesterday, that the storms, it's not going to be a washout of a
Oh,
Friday.
no.
It's so important to reiterate that.
The majority of the day does look rain-free, but those storms could be strong, so it's always a good idea to kind of have that plan through the afternoon hours. Okay, we might have to run inside for a little while those storms move through, but then it clears out in time for your evening plan. So
All
not
right.
bad.
Hey, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Thanks.